Everything you must know if you want to buy land. Welcome to episode 4 of the Frequently Asked Questions series. Today, we're tackling a big question. Where should you buy land in the USA? Whether you're dreaming of a cozy home in the countryside, a spot to camp on weekends, or a safe investment, the right location makes all the difference. From super cheap rural plots to booming investment areas, there's something for everyone. Let's break it down in a simple way to help you find the perfect piece of land. Why is picking the right spot such a big deal? Land isn't just dirt. It's your future home, getaway, or moneymaker. The state you choose can mean landing a great deal or getting a property that grows in value. Plus, it affects how you can use the land. Building, farming, or just chilling. With 50 states to pick from, it can feel like a lot. But don't stress. We've got some tips and awesome states to check out. Key factors you must consider. Before we get to specific places, let's go over 5 things to think about when choosing where to buy land. Number 1, what's your plan? Why do you want land? If you're building a home, you need land zone for houses with stuff like water and power nearby. If you want a place to hunt or camp, look for land near forests or lakes. If you're investing, pick areas where cities are growing fast. What's your budget? Land can cost a few $1,000s an acre in the middle of nowhere, or millions of dollars near a big city. Figure out what you can spend, and remember extra costs like taxes or surveys. Financing land can feel trickier than a home loan. In general, you might need a 20% down payment or more. However, in discount lots, we have properties with down payments as low as $197. Location and vibe. What kind of lifestyle do you want? Are you craving sunshine? Then try a desert or a beachy spot. Do you love snow? Go for states with real winters. Think about how close you want to be to towns for things like stores or doctors. If you are investing, being near a growing city can mean your land's worth more in years to come. Rules and regulations. Every place has rules about what you can do with land. Zoning laws might stop you from building a house or starting a business. Check this before you buy. In discount lots, it's as easy as choosing a property you like. I'm scrolling down here, where you will find all the information about zoning of the property, HOAs or POAs, elevation and terrain of the lot. This way you don't get stuck with land you can use how you planned. Utilities and access. Does the land have water, electricity, or internet? Even if you're not living there, utilities make the land more valuable. Also, make sure you can actually get to it, like with a road, so you're not trekking through the woods to get to your property. On discount lots, information about the accessibility of water, power, and sewer connections is given from the start, as well as road access to the property. This way, you can check the lot has everything you might need. Still more affordable options. If you're on a tight budget, New Mexico is a steal. With land averaging just $1.4K per acre, you get everything from mountains to deserts, and a lot of it is federally owned, which keep prices really low. Nevada is another winner at $2.1K per acre, great for rural or commercial plots. Arizona at $4.3 per acre gives you desert vibes and mountain views without breaking the bank. These are perfect if you're okay with remote spots. Big investment potential. Want land that could make you more money? Texas is a no-brainer. With a booming economy and land at $7.5K per acre. With ranches to farmland, it's got it all. Florida is pricier at $29K per acre, but its sunny beaches and tourism make it a hotspot for buyers. Or California, with an average of $26K per acre, also a great spot based on tourism and growth. Amazing lifestyle and scenery. If you love nature, Wyoming is awesome at $4.6K. Think stunning views, outdoor adventures, and low taxes. Oregon at $6.5K per acre has it all. Coastal cliffs, mountains, and a forest. Though living costs are a little bit higher. And there you have it. Finding the best place to buy land in the USA is all about what you want and need. Think about your goals, your budget, and practical stuff like utilities. Then start searching on discount lots to find your dream property. If this helped, smash the like button. Subscribe for more land tips and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.